Heading out to Swyre Head, cook a little bit of food out there today. I've got a nice piece of minute steak and some garlic and ginger, soy sauce. Got a little bit of leek and carrot in a one pot with a little nest of noodles, and try that for a bit of lunch. See what that turns out like. So I'm heading off up to the farm up there, and then I've got quite a steep rocky track to cycle up if I can manage it, and then into the woods, and then along the ridge over there out to Swyre Head. The old water wheel. There's a chap just shot past me on his mountain bike, heading off up the hill, and I'm puffing and gasping. Stop for a gasp. That chap that overtook me, he's nowhere to be seen. I would say left me in the dust, but as there's not any dust about today, more likely left me in the mud. Got some wild garlic in this bursting forth in a few weeks' time. This area is quite famous locally for surfing. Kimmeridge Bay, which is just over that prow. I imagine it's pretty spectacular today because there's a bit of surf down there at Chapman's Pool. Not very clean, I would have thought. Yeah, looks a bit messy. A little bit of carrot. A little bit of leek. All cut up nice and small, so it looks easy. Could have had a little bit of onion in there, but it will do the same job. A little bit of water. Got a nice bit of steak there. That's the carrot and leek going in. That's a bit of garlic and ginger and soy sauce. Oh, that tastes nice. I think that's been 6 minutes. Puts a little bit of salt and pepper in it. The steak is lovely. Probably need some chopsticks for this then. Absolutely delicious. Cycle. Right, here we go. See what happens. Heaven's Gate. If it stays like this, I won't be complaining. He's off. Get through it all right. Oh, look at this. A bit stinky. It's Kimmeridge. Really rocky and muddy and horrible, and I'll probably come off. Thank goodness for the dropper post. Oh, yeah. Clipped into pedals on something like this. Cyclist's Mount. Big climb in front of me now. Right, we're just turning off here then. Bit of a shortcut, but it's going to be a push though. Whew. I think rear mudguard's working very well. Front mudguard, not so much, but probably better than it would have been if I didn't have it on. Oh. Hard going, even pushing it. Oh, a lovely view of Poole Harbour over there on my left in front, and Swyre Head over there on the right where I had my lunchtime break. Got a good old headwind coming in at me. Grange Arch. Oh, I've definitely seen some good bibby spots along here. Surprise, surprise. I think I'll surely be coming back. Soft, sticky grass. Nice little descent now down to the road. Soapy sheet. Oh, this is pleasant. So I'm out with the wind and in the sun. Get up here without having to push. I'm back in the wind now. Drop the seat down a bit. With a load of mud. Oh, dear, dear. Splattered again.